Hi everyone, glad you dropped by today to Gaga's Kitchen. I'm Gagajoy, and today we're going to be making something that I really love and I think you'll enjoy too. It's another pasta dish that I love, and it's just Italian pasta shells. I'm getting ready to put I've got a jumbo box of pasta shells. I'm getting ready to put them in the water, put the whole box in. I got the jumbo. It just takes a few minutes, and while they are cooking, they start once. Put a little bit of salt in them. I'd say about 2 teaspoons. First thing we do is we need ricotta cheese. About 1.5 cups of ricotta cheese. 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. And this is frozen spinach. Now, if you don't like spinach, you can use frozen peas, about 1/2 cup of frozen peas. This was frozen spinach. I thawed it, and I worked very hard at squeezing the water out, and then I put them in on a paper towel and just pressed and pressed and pressed till I could get all the water out. But now, if you don't like this one, you can do peas. This is 1 whole bag. I think it was 14 ounces. You need 2 eggs. Oh, look, that was a double egg, a double yolk in 1 egg, right here. So, actually, it ended up being 3 egg yolks. You put a tablespoon of parsley, a basil. I don't know why that's about the last of my basil this year. Hate to see it go. And just mix it. See, it makes a pretty mixture. Okay. Let me get my pasta shells off and I'll be right back. Now these are my pasta shells. I just rinsed them off. I let them cook 7 minutes. I rinsed them off and I got them in a little bit of cold water. So on the bottom of my plate here, or that I'm going to use, the little dish. Put a layer of the marinara sauce, pasta sauce, either one you like. Now I just take a spoonful at a time, fill it up, and just start lining them up. Open it up, stick it in. Some of them are pull it back together, put it down. Okay, we'll go for another one. These are so good with a salad and a piece of bread, and you can put them in the refrigerator, you can put them in the freezer. You can do either one of them if you know someone's coming, and just reheat it. And you got a very nice meal. Well, this is my stuffed pasta shells. See how beautiful they are? And it took the full amount of the cheese sauce I made. Now I'm going to put another layer of marinade sauce on it. And I'm just using a regular pasta sauce. It's, up to you. You may even make your own tomatoes and stuff. I do know you're going to love it. Now let's go ahead and put the rest of it down. So it's just a tablespoonful. Okay. Now I've got my oven preheated to 400. And I'm going to put it in my 400-degree oven. I'm covering it with mozzarella cheese. Of course, we would do that. Wait just a minute. Put some in the corners. I seem to forget the corners sometimes. Okay, now I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil for 15 minutes. In the last 5 minutes, I'll take the aluminum foil off and let it brown. And then they'll be ready. Well, now we have a big pasta supper coming up, and we'll be right back. Well, I'm getting my shells out now. See how beautiful it is? It's probably enough. Oh, it's boiling all over. It's I think it even got on a little bit too much. It's been a wonderful day. We're going to make us a salad and some crusty bread, and we're going to have supper. I hope you enjoy it. I think you should try it. If you don't want to eat it the day you make it, or if you want to make 2, put 1 in your freezer, save it, because it makes a real good meal just to cook quickly. And you saw it didn't take hardly any time when I was doing it anyway. So remember the joy this week. We have beautiful weather. Let's be thankful for everything we have, and we'll see you soon.